Vintage 1920s haunted typewriter. Mint condition. How much for this weird old machine? $1,500. Not negotiable. Serious collectors only. $50. Take it or leave it. Are you actually serious right now? Dead serious. Comes with mysterious blood stain. Bonus, the blood stain is why it's expensive. Sounds like a marketing trick. Prove it's haunted. Previous owner wrote 3 novels before. Disappearing. Disappearing? More like went on vacation. Each manuscript ended mid-sentence. Weird cursor marks. I'll give you $75. Final offer. This isn't a flea market negotiation. What if I throw in my grandmother's cursed locket? Now you're speaking my language. Wait, the typewriter actually types by itself sometimes. Sometimes? Tell me exactly what you mean. Want to see the video evidence?